friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Reddit. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Reddit and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you go to Play Store. You will search about Reddit, and here if you find updates you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.